How to fix iPhone not charging. Please follow these steps one by one. Simple fixes can solve the problem. Step 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Use an original Apple cable. Check for cuts, bends, or frayed wires. Try another charger and cable. The red image shows a damaged cable and the green image shows a good cable.
Tip.
A faulty cable or adapter is the most common reason for iPhone not charging. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Lint, dust, or debris can block the connection. Use a soft brush, dry toothbrush, or air blower. Be gentle and avoid using metal objects. Please do not use a toothpick.
Tip.
Dust in the port is almost invisible, but can prevent proper charging. Step 3. Force restart your iPhone. A software glitch can stop charging. For iPhone 8 and later. 1. Press volume up. 2. Press volume down. 3. Hold side button until Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. 1. Hold volume down and slide button together. 2. Release when Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 and earlier. 1. Hold home button and top or side button together. 2. Release when Apple logo appears.
Tip.
This clears temporary software issues that may be preventing charging. Step 4. Check the power source. 1. Test different wall outlets. 2. Avoid weak USB ports, laptop, car, old power bank. 3. Use a wall charger for best results.
Tip.
Low power output can cause slow charging or no charging at all. Step 5. Check for overheating. 1. iPhone may stop charging if it gets too hot. 2. Remove from heavy use. 3. Let it cool down in a shaded area. There is no charging if the iPhone temperature is too high. Let it cool down for 15 to 30 minutes, then try charging again.
Tip.
Heat is a protection feature to prevent battery damage. Step 6. Update iOS. 1. Outdated iOS can cause charging issues. 2. Go to Settings, then General and Software Update. 3. Install the latest updates. Step 7. Check for hardware issues. If none of the above works. 1. The battery may be faulty. 2. The charging port or internal components may be damaged. 3. Visit an Apple store or authorized service center for a professional diagnosis. Still not working? It might be a battery or hardware problem. Get it checked by an Apple professional to avoid further damage. Extra tips. Use MFI certified, made for iPhone accessories. Avoid charging with damaged cables. Don't let battery drain to 0% frequently. Keep charging port clean regularly. Unplug and replug the cable properly. If your iPhone is under warranty and still not charging, contact Apple support. If this video helped you fix your iPhone, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone having the same problem, and subscribe for more simple electronics fixes that can save you time and money. Every day, we bring you fast tech solutions anyone can follow, so stay connected and keep your devices working. See you in the next one.